Young Black back here with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a mock-up for your clothing brand. Now, the first thing you're going to want to start off with is your logo. Now that I have my logo for the mock-up, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go into Google and type in whatever mock-up you're looking for. So for this example, I'm going to do a hoodie. So I'm going to type in black hoodie flat mock-up. Now, another way for looking for mock-ups if you're having troubles on Google is to go on this website called Superline Wholesale. When you go into supplies, you'll see a tab that says digital products. So now that I got my mock-up, all I need to do is cut out the background, layer it to the back, and bring our design to the front. We're going to resize it, and shrink it down, and change our text to white. I'm going to center it, shrink it down some more. And there you have it. You can use this to post on Instagram, on TikTok, on whatever social media platform you're using to promote your brand. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below what other tutorials would you like me to make. Peace out.